Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 and I'll show you how to set up Fingerprint. So to do it, we'll go into Settings, then go into Lock Screen and Security, and right here you have Screen Lock. It will be on a none, so click on that, and from here you can choose which one you like. It can be either pattern, pin, password. I'm just gonna choose pattern. Now, if you choose the same thing, you will need to basically put in your pattern twice. Twice the same kind of pattern. And from here, you can choose if you want notifications to be showing on the home screen before the phone is unlocked or if they're hidden. Just gonna move on. And from here you can add a fingerprint. So click on next and put in the locking method that you chose. And from here, let's click on next and press your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Make sure to get your finger scanned from basically every direction. So no matter how you put your finger in, it's always gonna read it. And once that's done, you can add another one if you like, or you can just click on done. And now when your device is locked, you can just use your finger to press here and it will automatically unlock. So that's how you put in a fingerprint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.